Okay, grounded. Let's go. Oh, that's an ant. Okay. I can pet it. I'm being... Matt! Matt, I need help. Matt, I'm being attacked by an ant. Yeah. Fuck this ant. Yeah.
Don't mess with me.
Harvest remains. Threat detected. Oh, there's another ant. Okay, they're colonizing. They're colonizing. They're colonizing. Okay, I'm safe. No, naughty ant. Naughty ant.
No shit.
That's a fly. Oh, it was a gnat.
Wait. This one's looking at me like,
Oh.
what are you doing, mate?
Oh, no, no, he's not friendly. Not friendly. Not friendly. Now friendly.
You die.
Oh my, Matt! I need
Oh my days.
Oh no, I'm down. Why have you got a rock? What was that?
I died.
Oh no.
Should be able to craft stuff.
Me and this ant are friends.
Oh,
Slurp
okay,
nasty
rock.
water. No thank you. My bag.
Looks like everything's still here.
Thank God for that. Right, what is this? Is this like a... Ugh! Power. Science. Ow. Spacer. Oh yeah, craft. Pebblet spear, pebblet axe. So, 2 sprigs, pebblet, and a crude rope. Okay, so I need to... Pebblet. There's 1 pebblet. Can I... Ah, requires a chopping tool. Okay, so... I need a pebblet axe, which I need sprigs for, which are... It's a plant fibre. Plant fibre.
How many sprigs?
Sprig. Sprig.
Oh wait,
Sprig.
I can...
Okay, so I found out what sprigs are.
A sprig and you need a crude rope.
Yeah, what's a crude rope? Are they like vines or something?
Couldn't tell you.
Hmm. Crude rope. Where on earth would I find one of them? Hmm.
Oh, you dropped your
I
backpack.
hope all my things are still here.
Yeah, you can pick it back up. It's a plant fibre. Okay, so for an axe, I literally just need 1 crude rope. And 1
It's
rock.
a case of finding it though, isn't it?
Yeah, like... What is a crude rope? Mushroom.
Come here.
That
It's a
ladybug
ladybug!
boxing out in the paint.
So,
I'm riding a ladybug. Yeah, what's up? I'm rock solid. What is that? In a
it's a
bit.
spear.
Okay, so... Ah. So that's how you block. Okay. I understand the
How do you
concept
block?
now. Hold right. Click.
Huh?
Oh, rock. I needed that. Okay, so to get an axe, I just need a crude rope. A little slurp find water.
Oh, no.
Oh no, I'm good, Matt. Why would you do that? I forgot spiders can climb. I don't think you should fight a spider. I suppose I'll help.
I wouldn't.
I'm getting its bunda. I'm not getting its bunda anymore.
Oh, you actually get stuck in its webs.
Oh my god, why'd that scare me? Oh, why is it doing that? Why is it doing that? Oh no, I don't like spiders. Oh, stabby, stabby. I can't stab. Stab,
no,
stab,
no.
stab, stab. Orb weaver. Hold on. No, don't spit at me.
There's another one.
Oh, it's too sticky.
Oh, I'm stuck on a web. Oh, hell no. No way.
I don't know.
I've still got my stuff.
New recipe. Crude rope. You got to analyze stuff in order to unlock it.
Have you analysed the plant fibre, like it said?
Yeah.
Nice. What is that? I'll have a look. Oh, I've got nothing in my backpack. I need to go get my backpack. Oh, the spiders are still here, Matt.
Are they actually?
Yeah.
Mom would kill me if
Right,
I
I
lost
got my
this.
loot. Hammer. How do I... Missing ingredients. Oh, I need 4. Ooh. Ooh. I don't like that. Is that a snail shell? That's so cool. I can go in here.
I left you.
Ah, it's a ladybug. You alright?
Me?
No, the ant that was chirping in my ear. Rock. Craft a hammer.
You can actually craft an axe now as well.
Yeah, I've got a pebblet hammer. And the axe needs
Nice.
sprigs, pebblet, and crude rope again. So crude rope, craft. I need plant fibre, 1 rock, 3 plant fibres. Okay. Plant fibre, sprig. Oh, rock, plant fibre. So I should be able to get an axe now, right? No? Oh, I need 2. Okay, so get another plant fibre.
You can also consume mushrooms.
Another rock. I don't need plant fibre. Why am I getting plant fibre? I need sprigs. Sprig. Oh, there we go. There we go. I got an axe.
Nice.
Oh, you're over here. I'll come back. I'll come back.
Push away.
I am getting a bit hungry and thirsty. I'm not gonna lie. What do we eat?
Mushrooms.
Magic mushrooms.
You can eat mushrooms.
Oh, okay. I will consume the mushroom.
Can't waste food. Can't waste
Build
food.
station.
Can't waste food.
Okay, I'm just gonna keep eating mushrooms then. I'm about to get poisoned. Okay. My hunger's full enough.
Analyzing.
Can I drink anything?
There you go. You have a look on what you can craft now.
Nice. The defense isn't the best, but we'll make it work. We'll make it work. Oh, sorry, I hit you. My bad. Is it not worth just building around this? Have this in our little base?
Probably.
Yeah, it's probably for the best. I'll start chopping down some grass. And then we can start with the build.
How many do you actually need to build?
I am getting forest vibes.
Yeah.
Like major forest vibes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is exactly like the forest, isn't it?
Rotate. Okay.
Ah, big wall.
Oh.
How do you rotate?
E.
Ah. So how do you want to do it? Just like a big square around this bit? Or... Okay. If we do that...
It's getting quite late. I should construct some shelter and get some sleep.
Probably for the best, mate. Okay. Okay. They call me Bob because I'm a builder.
Yo, Ant!
Yo, you know, I am possibly the best. Oh no, what have I done there? I've put it at an angle. You know what? That's genius. That is genius. How do you build the wall?
E.
Oh, for God's sake.
Well, you hold E to fast build.
Oh. Oh. That is
You
genius.
fucking monk.
That is genius. Okay. Easy peasy. Probably not the strongest base on the planet, considering it's made of grass, but
Yeah,
we
we
make
just
do.
started doing
We
it.
make do. I probably could have just chopped down the actual leaf, but we move.
Hydration is the key to
Oh.
performance.
Nice. How are you on, like, thirst and stuff?
I got like no thirst.
There's, like, dew drops and stuff you can drink.
Oh, there is one up there.
Yeah. Okay, so I'll break these little things. Okay, so your weapons actually last quite a while. I'm out of stamina again. Yes. Pick up all of the plant fibers. Probably not good for my inventory, but we make it work. Okay, so craft half wall, windowed grass wall. A window. A door. We can build a door. I don't know where to put it. How do I... Can I break this? Oh, recycle. X. Okay, get rid of this one, because we've got plenty of grass. We need a grass wall. Rotate with R. And then we build a grass door. No, that's not the button to do it. There we go. Okay, so I've put sprigs in, because that's all I had. We need crude rope, and I can craft some of them. There we go. Crafted a few. Put that on there. We need a wood stem, so I assume we need a tree. It's getting dark.
Yeah.
It's getting very dark.
I've had worse, I guess.
Okay, so I will finish. There we go. We got a workbench. And it's literally what was in our inventory. But we've got a workbench.
Curious. Ophidoidea.
For what? Nippy little buggers they are. Okay. So, is there like a storage thing for these? Because I'm assuming they don't despawn. I'm glitching all over the place. No, 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 I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that.
I don't want it pinned.
I will go get some.
Oh, I did it. I did it.
Ah, I'll grab some anyway. Set your respawn point.
Perhaps
will.
we should make camp for the night?
Oh yeah, we're way ahead of you, dude. Sleep to morning. Set respawn point. Cool, that's done. Shall we sleep?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sleep 8 hours. What is that noise? Oh, weevil. Stuck. Alright, we need a weed... Oh, it's a weed stem, not a wood stem. Oh, I'm so stupid. Where do we get a weed stem?
What's that? Dry grass chunk.
Hmm. Investigate. Easily done. Okay, so what is the investigation cause?
Oh,
Curiosity killed the tiny Pete.
Oh!
Huh. Well, looks like this thing hooks up with those lasers. I don't think that worked properly. It seems like the machine needs all 3 lasers to function. Maybe there's a way to fix them.
Oh!
Only one way to find out.
what?
That ant's got some moves.
I'm guessing we've got to go to that station where your marker is.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this.
Sit back. No, it's here. It's not on my mark.
I guess we go to the center of it, right? Or we climb up
We have
it.
to go up.
Yeah, that makes sense. Probably because the lawn mites are attacking it, right?
Yeah. What, it's broke?
Oh. I'm just assuming then that we got to kill all the lawn mites. Oh no! Oh yes, the lawn mites are eating the wires. No! Naughty! Naughty lawn mite.
Let there be light.
Have you come underground? Follow
You
the
can
pipe.
go underground? Oh, I didn't know you could do that. Ah,
You
so
can
the
pick this
wire.
stuff up, man.
Mold stalk.
What? Requires a busting tool.
I got it.
Us.
You need a hammer. There we go. Oh, rocks.
Did not me to hit you then.
That's all good. More of these. I found another scab. How are we supposed to fix the wires?
I don't think we do. It will work without it being bit, I guess.
Okay.
It's
Push.
working.
Okay.
Oh, I'm in the middle!
Uh-oh. Matt.
Great.
Oh no! What did that do? Oh. Oh, that
Push
can't
the
be
button
good.
labeled activate?
Yeah.
Maybe it was labeled wrong, like when my brother mislabeled the salt as sugar.
Easy mistake to
Right.
make.
Where is
Well, we should
home?
probably go find out what happened.
Unless we just build something on here. I say to build something on here.
Oh no, my axe. My spear.
Oh, I don't actually have an axe.
I think we'll have to build a base next to it. Like here. In this open space. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. We'll have to build a lean-to instead of spawn point here.
Yeah. Does that actually work as a spawn point?
Yes, you can save a spawn point.
Yo, land!
Nah, I chopped
Right, we
quite a
need-
few down.
Weed stem.
See, I still don't know how you get that. Do we find a weed? Okay, so I'm thinking that these are weeds, right? Weed stem! Please tell me we don't need 3. Done. You really got to crouch under
Really?
the door.
You can't even put
Okay.
a door on properly.
Sprig
Very
and...
cleverly.
Okay, easy peasy.
Dry grass chunk. God, I should have one of them. 3, yeah, 3.
It should say on it.
Yeah, 3.
Yeah. Now we just need a dry grass chunk. Oh, you're on it. There we go. Oh, there you go. Set respawn point. And then we cook food on here, right? Yes!
Hang on.
Oh, you put something on there.
Yeah.
A scientific breakthrough.
Is it really? Oh, sweet, thank you. Wow. So eating stuff like meat fills up your health.
Did it say cooked?
It literally just like it won't let you eat it if it's raw. I don't think. I need to find some dew though. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go with the river.
Yum.
I
That's
filled
refreshing.
my halfway health.
Yeah. Okay, so I slurped the dirty water and it didn't do much. It did half of my thirst, but... Have you set your respawn point?
Yeah. Right.
Good.
Go to sleep,
Bedtime.
and then